Hello everyone, welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to temporarily close your Shopify store. First, open your Shopify admin page and click on the setting option. From the menu, select Apps and Sell Channel and uninstall all the applications that are installed on your store. This will prevent you from getting charged while your store is closed. After uninstalling the application, go back to the admin page and click on My Store button. From the drop-down menu, click on Manage Accounts and then navigate to the Security section. Turn off the authentication method. Make sure to log out of any active device before proceeding to close your store. Next, go back to the admin page and click on the settings. From the menu, select Plan. And you will see two options: Deactivate Store or Change Plan. Click on Deactivate Store to temporarily close your store. You can come back within 2 years to reopen it. Select the reason for deactivating your store and click Continue. Then click the Deactivate Store button. Your Shopify store will now be closed temporarily, and you can reactivate it whenever you are ready. Thank you for watching.